Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. As we are studying chapter 7, the world of shapes. Shapes, the study of shapes is known as geometry. So basically we are dealing with the chapter of geometry. Okay. In today's lecture we will discuss curves and polygon. Okay, basically these 2 points we will discuss. First one is curve and another one is polygon. Now what is curve? We will discuss 2 points in curve. First one is open curve and next type is closed curve. We will discuss 2 types of curve. We will discuss curve and types of curve and polygon. Okay, so let us start with curves. What is curve? Before starting curves, do you remember what is line? Yes, when we join small dots together, we form a line, right? Line has no endpoints. Line is straight. How line? Line is straight in nature, right? We call it as line. But if I talk about curve, curve is not a straight line. Means the line which is slightly bland or somewhat bland. Okay, bend, somewhat bend is known as curve. Means suppose I have 2 dots. If I join, I get line. Okay, I get a straight line segment. If I join 2 dots, I get a straight line segment. With the help of ruler, if I draw, I get a straight line. But by running hand, if I join 2 dots, by running hand, if I join 2 dots, a small bend is there. A small bend is there means it is a curve. Okay. When we draw line or when we join 2 points with the help of ruler, we get a straight line. So it is line. But when we join 2 points by free hand or running hand, it is called curved line. Curved line. Okay, or simply we call it as curve. Okay, curved line or curve means a small bend in your line. When you draw by free hand, it is curve. When you draw by using ruler, it is straight line. So I hope you understand the difference between line and curved line. Okay, by free hand if you draw, it is curved line. If there is bend in your line, it is curved line. If line is straight, it is line. So I hope you understand curve. Okay, curve is not a straight line. Now there are 2 types of curve, open curve and closed curve. So let us discuss closed curve. What is closed curve? If a curve begins from one point, and if a curve begins from one point and ends at the same point it is known as closed curve. It means if I have a point, okay, if I start drawing a curve, it is starting from this point and I close it at this point. Okay, I finished at the same point. The starting and ending point of the curve is same, so it is known as closed. Okay, as it is closed. Okay, suppose I am drawing a curve. Okay, curve means bended line. starting point of the curve is this, and ending point is also same. Starting and ending point is common, same. So it is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Okay. If I draw a curve like this, suppose it is my starting point. From here I am starting, and my ending point is again the same starting point. So my starting and ending point is same. So it is known as closed curve. So if a curve begins from one point and ends at the same point, it is known as closed curve. Now what is open curve? Open curve is the curve when starting and ending point are different. Starting and ending point are different. Open curve. If starting and ending point if starting and ending points are not same or are different, or are not common, if a starting and ending point are different or not common, it is known as open curve. It is known as open curve. Okay. Now I am drawing on the board how open curve looks like. Suppose I am starting my curve from here. Okay. And ending at this point. So starting and ending point are different. So it is known as open curve. It is also an open curve. Okay. It is my starting point. It is my ending point. My starting and ending point are different. It is also an open curve. It is my starting point. It is ending point. So starting and ending point are different. It is called open curve. So I hope you understand what is curve. A line that is not straight, that is somewhat bent, is known as curve. Okay. Now there are two types of curves. One is open curve, second one is closed curve. Closed curve, if starting and ending point are same, means if a starting point is this and ending point is the same, starting and ending point are same, it is known as closed curve. Open curve, if a starting and ending point are different, it is known as open curve. I hope you understand curve and types of curve. Now open book page number 105, exercise 7.2. Be ready with your pencil. And be remember, you will make all the figures by using pencil only, okay? Do not use pen to draw figures. Exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Classify as open curve or closed curve. in your book. Okay, these 8 figures are given in your book. Okay, and your question is classify as open curve or closed curve. So let us identify. In first case, starting and ending point are different. Starting point and ending point of the figure is different, means it is an open curve. It is open, so write open curve. Now next, here we cannot see any different starting and ending point, means here the starting and ending point of the figure is same. It is a closed curve, so write closed curve. Now identify it. Here starting point and ending point are different. It has 2 end points, means it is an open curve. With the help of pencil, write all these things in book, and later you will copy down from the book in your copy. Now next, D. Tell me it is open or closed. Check it. The starting and ending, it has 2 points, so it is open curve. Now check E. It is open or closed figure. Identify it. It is open or closed. It has 2 end points, right? One is starting point, the other one is ending point. So it is open curve. Now check the next. Here no starting and ending point we can identify. It means it is a closed curve. Now check the next figure. Here also we cannot identify which one is a starting point and which one is ending point, means this figure has a common starting and ending point. So we conclude it is an closed curve. Now check the last figure. Observe it carefully. It has 2 end points. One is a starting point and other one is ending point. So it is an open curve, as it is open. So question number 1 is completed here. Read question number 2. What is the question number 2? Question number 2 is draw. Question number 2. Draw part A, a simple closed curve, and part B is an open curve. As your question is draw, so by using pencil you will draw a simple closed curve. Now what is simple closed curve? So a curve that does not cross itself is called a simple closed curve. Understand here this side, what is simple closed curve? You know what is closed curve? A curve which have starting and ending point, common starting and ending point is a closed curve, right? Now what is simple? So pay pay attention on the board. See here, I have drawn some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closed curves. Okay. Now this curve is crossing itself. Okay, means this line is overlapping itself. This curve is crossing itself means it is not a simple closed curve. This curve is also crossing itself means its line is overlapping itself. So it is not a simple closed curve. In this figure no line is overlapping means it is a simple closed curve. In this figure it is a closed curve but it is simple closed curve. Why? Because no line is overlapping it or no line is crossing itself. Here in this line is crossing the other part of the curve means it is not simple. It is not simple closed curve. It is not simple. Why? Because it is crossing itself. But in these two figures the curve is not crossing itself. It means it is a simple closed curve. So according to question 2, you need to draw a simple closed curve. Means any figure you can draw, any closed figure you can draw, but it must be a simple. Okay, anything you can draw. Even you can draw a circle. Circle is also a closed curve. Okay, so for example I have drawn these figures. You can draw what you want, but it must be a simple closed curve. Okay, now an open curve. So for open curve you can draw any figure. I am drawing this. You can draw any open curve of your choice. Okay, so I have drawn. Even this is also an open curve. It is also an open curve. It is also an open curve. You can draw any open curve of your choice. Okay, so question number 2 is also completed here. Now we will discuss polygon. What is polygon? Okay, so a shape made up of straight line. A shape made up of a closed shape made up of straight lines is known as polygon. Means to be a polygon there are two conditions. First condition, your figure should be closed. A plane shape. Okay, I am talking about a plane shape. So to be a polygon there are two conditions to be fulfilled. One is closed plane shape. And second point is it must be made up of a straight line. Your figure must be made up of straight lines. Okay, so for a figure said to be polygon, these two conditions must be fulfilled. Okay, I have drawn a plane shape on shape in front of you. Okay, what is the name of this shape? It is a triangle. Okay, triangle is made up of three straight lines. The line is straight, right? It is made up of a straight line. How many straight lines? One straight line, 2 and 3. Total 3 straight line, right? It is made up of a straight line. Is it closed or open? It is an closed figure. So both the conditions are fulfilled, closed figure and made up of a straight line. So we call it as polygon. So triangle is a polygon. Okay. Now I am drawing another shape. Okay, I am drawing another shape. How many straight lines in the shape? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 straight lines. So this shape is made up of 4 straight lines. Is it closed figure or open figure? Tell me. Is it closed figure or open figure? It is an closed figure. So both the conditions are fulfilled here. Closed figure also, and this figure is made up of straight lines, means it is also polygon. Okay. Now tell me about this figure. This figure is made up of straight lines 1, 2 and 3. This figure is also made up of 3 straight lines. Okay, but it is not an closed figure. It has 2 endpoints, means it is open curve. So we cannot call it as polygon. Why? Because to be polygon there are 2 conditions. Closed figure must be closed and made up of a straight line. It is made up of a straight line either, but it is not closed. That is why it is not a polygon. Okay. So I hope you understand what is polygon. A closed figure made up of straight lines is called as polygon. Now read the question number 3. Question number 3 is draw 4 polygons with different number of sides. Draw 4 polygons with different number of sides. For hint purpose here I am writing what is polygon. There are 2 conditions for polygon. Figure must be made up of straight lines, and second condition is it must be closed. These are the 2 conditions for a figure to be polygon. Figure must be made up of straight lines. Another one is it must be closed figure. Okay. Now question number 3. Draw 4 polygons with different number of sides. Here you will draw 4 polygons. Okay. Suppose I give you one straight line. Can you draw a polygon by using one line? If I give you only one line, can you draw polygon from it? No. Why? Because it is not closed. It is open. It is a straight line, but it is open. For polygon, figure must be closed. So by using one line, you cannot make closed figure. Now if I give you 2 lines, if I give you 2 lines, can you make polygon? No, again my figure is still, if I join 2 lines like this or like this, it is not closed figures. So it cannot be polygon. So triangle is a polygon. is rectangle, it is also a polygon made up of straight lines and closed curve. This shape, it is also made up of straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 straight lines are there. Okay, and it is closed also, so it is also a polygon. I am making all the figures by running hand, but you need to use ruler properly. Straight line must be there, okay, in your copy. Now how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines are there. So 6 straight lines and closed curve. It means it is a polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4 polygons I have drawn. Now if a figure is made up of 3 straight lines and closed, it is known as triangle. Okay. If a figure is made up of, if a closed figure is made up of 4 straight lines, it is known as quadrilateral. Tri means 3. The word tri means 3. The word quad means 4, having 4. The word quad means having 4. So this figure have 4 sides, so I am giving name it to quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Quad means 4 and lateral means side, having sides. Quad means 4 and lateral means side. So do not get confused that it is a huge word. Quadrilateral, quad means 4 and lateral means side. Tri means 3. Now this figure has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So pentagon, we can call it as pentagon. Its name is pentagon. Penta means 5. Here this figure has 6 straight lines. Its name is hexagon. Hexagon. Hexa means 6. Okay, if a figure have 7 sides, we call it as heptagon. If a figure has 8 sides, we call it as octagon. And like this. Okay, so these were 4 polygons. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is form a polygon with 2 matchsticks, B 3 matchsticks, C 4 matchsticks and D 5 matchsticks. So this question number 4 is for activity purpose, so you can leave this question. Okay, do not need to perform question number 4. Question number 4 you can leave. Now next question, that is question number 5. What is quadrilateral? Give 2 examples of quadrilateral. Question number 5. What is quadrilateral? As I discussed a few minutes ago, quad means 4 and lateral means side. Give 2 examples of quadrilateral. Here quad means 4 and lateral means side. So what is quadrilateral? A figure, a closed figure which have 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Now you understand what is quadrilateral? A figure which has which is made up of 4 straight lines is known as quadrilateral. Now what are 2 examples of quadrilateral? figure made up of four a closed figure made up of four sides is known as quadrilateral. Now what can be example of quadrilateral? We have discussed before few minutes in our previous question. This figure is made up of four sides, right? It is square. So square can be example because it is made up of four sides and it is closed. So it is a quadrilateral. A plane figure, rectangle. This figure is also made up of 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Its name is rectangle. So square and rectangle can be example of quadrilateral. So question number 5 is over here. In today's class we have discussed curves and polygons. Okay, our exercise is over. We will meet in new lecture with new topics and new exercises. Till then, bye students. Be remember, draw all the figures by using proper pencil. Do not use pen. Bye bye.